Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on Temu affiliate program in 2024 Temu affiliate tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are, and here we are in our browser, and from here you want to go into temu.com, and then from here you want to sign in or register if you don't have an account yet. In my case, I'll just continue with Google account right here. So I'm going to click this so that it would be an easy process. So from here I'm going to click on my account and click on continue. And after this, you would need to wait for it to load, and then you would now be prompted right here. You are now logged in. As you can see, I am currently logged in with my account. So now that everything is good, now all we have to do is go all the way to the bottom right here. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down right here, and from here you can see the affiliate and influencer. So this is what we want right here. So you want to click on this one. And now here we are. As you can see, you've received a welcome gift right here. So will be your welcome gift depending on the currency that is set on your account. So click continue and share to earn. These are your links right here, right there. And now you can copy this or you can send it directly right here. So the first one is right here. As you can see, we have an initial deposit right here of our cash. So this is a gift from Temu. So you would be able to withdraw this once it reaches a certain amount. So you wouldn't be able to withdraw this right away right here. As you can see, when I click on withdraw, it says that it needs to reach 500 pesos. In this case, I think if you convert it into US dollar, it would be $10. That would be the minimum. And then from here, as you can see, you can earn so you can invite new app users, which is first download, and reinstalled users right here, and you would receive 10 to 30% commissions when they place an order within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. And you also have a $1 or 50 pesos download reward for every referral who downloads and orders right here. And right here, you can also click on share to earn also $2 or 100 pesos right here. And you have your share to earn. So these are your links right here and your codes and your exclusive deals. So what you want to do with this link is click on copy on that, and then you can send this to your chats like Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, or even post it on your social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. And you would be able to get a bundle. And this is the 30% off discount right here. If you would want your buyers to use your code, this is your code right here. And the exclusive deal, so you can click on share, and then from here new app users can purchase exclusive deal items through your exclusive deal item link right here. So you can click on share now, and then this would be your link right here, and you can just share it, and then they would have the exclusive deal and you can promote that. And then the next thing is you can submit on common sites. You can paste link in your bio, like for your TikTok, Facebook, or whatsoever right here. And you can also place a link on your post and send to your friends right here. So these are your options on how you can share. Alright, so in this tutorial, we will be focusing here in the exclusive deal, because from here, when you click on share, you would be able to see the list of items that Temu has in store for you in order for you to advertise. So you can just use this right here to earn. So let's say, for example, I want to advertise something right here. So let's just pick a common item. So let's click on show more right here. And let's say we would want let's say let's pick more right here because I don't want any products yet. So let's say this one right here. So in this one, I will be able to earn up to 104.6 pesos right here, or just around $2. And I want to click here on this button right there. When I click it, then I would have this. So from here, you can click here on share text right here, and then you would be able to get the link right here. So when you paste it right here, as you can see, you would have this right here. You would have it in your clipboard. So what you want to do once you have it in your clipboard is that you can now proceed into your social media platforms. So for example, I'm gonna post it on Pinterest or advertise it in Pinterest. So from here, I want to click here on create on Pinterest, and then from here I can provide a photo right here. So since I need a photo, I would need to download it right here. So I'm gonna click on this product and I'm just gonna download the photo right here. Alright, so now that I have downloaded the photo, I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna upload it right here, right there, and there it is. It is now uploaded, and from here you can go for the title. And the important thing is that you want to put the link here on the description. So I'm gonna paste this right here. So paste, and let's do it again right here, paste. Or if it's not pasting, then you can just simply go back. It's that simple. Click here on this button, and from here click on share text, and now it has now been copied successfully. So I'm gonna paste it, and now from here we now have the link right here, which is this one. So from here you could just customize the title if you'd want, or you could just also copy the title of this right here. So it's a colorful atmospheric light, and you can just copy that also if you'd want to. And I'm gonna go back here into Pinterest, and I'm gonna copy that. And since there is only first 100 characters will be displayed, then you can just customize that if you'd want, but in my case it's fine. And from here you want to add the link right here. So I'm just gonna go and copy this, and I'm gonna go paste that here, and now it's right here. So you can also customize the description right here. You can have some kind of strategic description in order for you to market this product and so on. That would depend on you. You can even use ChatGPT. Once you're done with all of this, you want to click here on publish, and as you can see, it has now been published. So now when I view it, just like so right here, you would be able to see this. And when I click on this one right here, or this link right here, I would be redirected here into the product. And when your customer would buy this product, you would be able to earn the commission. And that is basically how you earn here in Temu affiliate. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.